Today on Dirt Road Cred, we add a sunroof to our Jeep Wrangler. Let's explain first what my thought process was. So about over the past year, we've been building this Jeep and I've been wanting to add a little bit more of the outdoors on the inside of the Jeep. Now you guys know I don't have to say any brands or any names, but there's a lot of options on the market. Some are based with soft tops, some are completely clear, some attach and then can be removed. There's a lot of different versions of something that you can add to let a little bit of the light from the outside in or even let the environment in. But after going through it and building this Jeep, I had a lot of criteria that I wanted it to meet, and I've been following this company for about, I would say, a year now as they've been developing this product. So this company, Sky365, I've been following for about a year. I first saw their forum post where they launched a really crazy cool product, something that I had never seen. So I shot my shot, slid into their DMs and said, hey guys, do you want to work out something for our channel? And they were like, yeah, let's figure it out. Let's work something out. A few months later, and here we have this product. Now, it's not a few months to make it, but they were finalizing everything and making it perfect. Full disclosure, they hooked us up and sent us this top free of charge, but we wanted to give our review of it after we install on the Jeep, and honestly, it met so much of my criteria of what I wanted. I think you guys are gonna be ecstatic to see what's inside here. That's enough talking. Let's lay this giant thing down here. This thing is massive. So, all right, guys, we're gonna open this up. The cool thing is this still ships. Oh, wait till you see this, dude. Check this out. Are you kidding me? Doesn't it, it like looks like the factory top. Like, look at the edge here with the drip rail. Doesn't this look just like, if you, we'll get a shot of my hardtop up there. Wow. So guys, here it is, the Sky365 roof panel for the Gladiator and the Wrangler. I have it in bikini, so this matches the Jeep. What's really slick about this is you can either get it to match your factory, like if you have like my dad's hardtop where it's just that matte black finish, they have that option as well, but then you can also option it to be color match, which is what this did here. Now, so on the edge, which I think is gonna be really neat, Ryan, on the edge of this, you won't really be able to tell it has a sunroof. Like if you look at the Jeep from the side, it'll look like a normal hardtop, blend right into the color match portion, but then the entire center section, look at the size of this glass, dude. Do you see how big that is? Now it's all automotive grade glass. I can already see the markings right here. It's tinted. And then what I really like too is around these seams or where they probably have some of those edges, it's all kind of blacked out too. So just like on a regular roof, sunroof, it has those as well. Oh. And I can just throw these right in the trash then. I don't even need them. All right, so this is what I was mentioning. Look at how cool this is. All right, see the edge of this panel? Watch, look at this, Ryan. Like, are you joking me?
It's the exact
That's the exact same. And don't give color the grief right now because this is angled and also ceramic coated. That's like, that's insane. All right. No view, full view. Look what I just found in here.
I hear it squeaking.
Sky365 duck. There we go. I saw it just at the last minute. Ryan's got his shorts hiked up and he's ready to lift this. It's only 30 pounds. Here, pick it up. It's so, I'm gonna kick that over this way. All right, Ryan and I are gonna walk it over. Dude, look at the inside though.
That's sick.
Isn't that cool? All right, so we're just gonna pick it up and we have our doors closed. All right, I'll let you walk it over your way a little bit. All right, bring it back a little bit more. Now I kind of just loosely set it here. Ryan, if you wanna walk it back just a little bit more. Now you can open the door. So see that latch is hitting? Yeah. Pull this latch like that. See that one? Pick it up a little and then pull it, yep. And then this will sit, see the alignment pin? Yeah. Right. Yeah. Stop. All right guys, so after Ryan and I picked it up, the one thing I will tell you is probably unlatch these before you put it on. So these were kind of latched, but all these latches feel the exact same as factory. Like this looks and feels just like my hardtop factory latches. These look and feel just like the factory latches, but you want to make sure the alignment pin is down there, and then you're just going to go around and like, look, I mean, make sure it's aligned. Like that was one thing I'm looking at. Does it look good on the outside over there, Ryan? It doesn't need to move. Are you in the pin here? Yeah, you're in the pin. So we'll just latch this down. Durable. Latch this. Latch this. If you have factory freedom panels, you know exactly what I'm doing. Latch this one. latch this one, and then one more. And look at that. Look at that. Now, there's some streaks on here because I cleaned it, but dude, what he told me too, what Joe told me on the phone, they matched. If you look at this, Ryan, you see the visor? They matched the texture.
Oh, wow.
To make it not look like an afterthought. See the texture right here and that?
They're the same.
So Ryan, why don't you climb up top? Because I know some people might think, look, if I don't have my front windows tinted, you're going to be able to easily see in through here and kind of see what I could potentially grab. Now, my front windows are tinted, but this looked like it was pretty tinted on the outside as well. But Ryan, you climb up on my rock sliders and can you see me?
A little bit.
Now I have dome lights on and also bright shop lights, but it's just
dark.
like it would just be like a sunroof anyways. But the tint is pretty good. I mean, if I close this window, it's pretty similar to my factory tint. The other thing that I wanted to say is that according to Sky365, the noise in this one is about 10% less than other comparable items or products on the market. So there are some other items on the market. They say the noise is about 10% less interior noise. Because some of them, if you put like different versions up here, you're going to hear wind noise. And I can already hear it kind of still sounds like the inside of the Jeep. We'll take it for a test drive and we'll see how it sounds. But it feels OEM. That's the other thing I wanted to bring up, Ryan, is like, look at the thickness of this. This is probably the same thickness as the factory Freedom panels. It doesn't feel like it's more of an afterthought. This feels like Jeep said, hey, why don't we put a sunroof in? That's how I feel. And I don't know. I'm excited to go take it for a drive. I'm really excited at night too, because, a little shameless plug, you'll be able to look through and see the Dirt Road CRED high power floor lights from the roof. I don't know. I just think it brings a little bit of the outside in, but imagine in the winter when it's raining, it's pretty cool stuff. So, and then if you want to go back to stock, you just throw your Freedom panels back in. Before I forget, when you take this off, they do have a storage bag, which we're going to get one of those as well. It says it'll fit in the back seat with the seats folded down or in the back of a Gladiator bed. So if you are out and about and you like, hey, I want to take my Freedom panels off, you can still take this panel off, put it in the storage bag and throw it in the back. All right, before we go for a little ride, let's take a look outside because this is really the name of it, Sky365. Open the door and check this out. Look at that. It's cool. And honestly, like, I was nervous about how much sunlight comes onto the dash, or would you be like blinded in the Jeep? But no, it's nice. Like this, Ryan, your shot is probably showing a lot more sun that's actually coming through. If I had to guess, it's probably the same tint as like your factory rear windows. So very, very close to that. But
why don't you hop up there and wave through?
Hop up there and wave through. Yeah, see if I can, I don't know, see what it looks like, huh? Can you see me?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so let's take this for a little cruise. Ryan, you can probably hear it. The audio is still pretty good in here. It still sounds like the factory hardtop, but this glass it's thick. I'd imagine it's thicker even than the factory hardtop glass. But yeah, this is basically the sunlight coming in. We're at about, what, 2:30? So sun's a little bit towards the setting section of the day. But yeah, we're like Ryan said, it almost feels like there's no top on at all. But yet we're still 100% protected. So like if it would start pouring right now or snowing or raining or whatever, you're good. But yeah, I don't know. It's interesting. It gives the dash feels like we have the top off because I'm seeing sunlight all on the dash. But then at nighttime, I'm sure it's really neat. I'm just gonna get the first thoughts on this. It does change the driving experience of the Jeep. Now when I look this way, when I look out the windows, I can see like, I don't know, you can see the sky. It's interesting. It's a weird feeling. There's never been anything like this. Like, I mean, there's things on the market that like some you can open up completely, but then you're exposed to the weather, the elements, and their different materials. Like this it feels OEM, especially when you look at it from the outside. I'd imagine like a lot of people that see the Jeep, unless you knew this was inside, you wouldn't be able to tell from the outside, which that's a big thing for me. Like it's a mod that has a really good function, but then also blends so well with factory. All right, guys, let's hit like 55, 60. Now, remind you, I have a 392 with a very open exhaust. That's up to speed right there. Little bit of wind noise. I can hear it. You hear the shh. But nothing I wouldn't be comfortable driving with for a while. Yeah, that's kind of the noise at 55, 60. Ready? Let's roll up the windows, Ryan. Are your back windows rolled up?
Yep.
I'm gonna roll it up all the way. Here we go. We get a little undercarriage spray first. This is gonna probably feel so weird. I go in always real slow. See that? It sprays the undercarriage for you. It's already dripping on there. Ready? Moment of truth. Put her in park. Okay. It's gonna be... This will also tell you how much noise it makes. Watch, here they come. I don't know if this is the... No, this isn't like all the way full intensity. But yeah, look up here, Ryan. It'll start to like splash. This is the like light intensity. That's like... Let's just rinse it off a little bit. And then back there it turns like full bore when it comes back, I believe. Or maybe it's still... No, it's still just giving us a little bit. No leaks, though. I'm not seeing anything coming in with the soap. You feel it? Did you feel it on the back of the Jeep? Here it comes. It's shaking the Jeep. Here, look. Here it comes. Look at how, like... Nothing. Nothing. I mean, it does a good job cleaning out here, but yeah, it's intense. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap this one up today. We just took it through the car wash, and this thing is absolutely awesome. We can see the sky, just like in the name, Sky365, right through the top of it. And this is just a really, really cool piece. Now, if you guys are interested in this, we're waiting to drop this video until they are ready to be ordered. And please note on the website, there are some time constraints if you do get them factory matched or in different colors, but it's worth the wait when you can get something like this, get it in a factory color, and matches your Jeep really, really well. So we've got it in the bikini, and I'm excited to have this on the 392. I think it really changes the look of the inside of this Jeep and also gives us some more form and functionality of the vehicle. Now, you can order this a couple different ways, like I said, paint matched, or you can get it to match the factory hardtop. And it's really cool because the product is made in the USA. So let us know down below in the comments if this is a product that you think you'd be interested in. I'm thoroughly blown away by it by this point, but I think it's a really, really cool mod that we've never seen one in this shape or function. So drop a comment down below so they can see it and we can have the conversation right down there. Now, from Ryan, who's in the back seat of my Jeep, and from me up front, we want you to get out there and earn yours.